Do not throw away your flax seed after you finish getting out the gel. You can keep it in your fridge so that you can use it next time to make a deep conditioner, DIY conditioner that is going to help you grow your hair very very fast. So this is the flax seed that I left the other time. I left it in the fridge just for 1 day. You can leave it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days to 1 week. Okay, then you can use. Okay, depends on how you have time. Okay, so right now I'll be adding some coconut oil. Okay, the coconut oil is like this because we are in winter. Yeah, during summer the coconut oil tends to be very very liquid. Okay, so yeah, this is pure coconut oil, so I'm going to be adding that, and I'll add water and I'll just go ahead and blend it. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a deep conditioner for hair growth. Okay, do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and keep on watching.
If you look for a channel on YouTube, where they current on lifestyle matters, rich style. That's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. So what you waiting for? So waiting you never to subscribe.
So guys, I'm going to go ahead and add more water. All right, it is still thick, so I added more water and I'll blend again before I will go ahead and sieve it to get the conditioner. This is very very amazing. It is very very good. It's going to help your hair to be very very soft, stay moisturized. You're going to like, it's going to help your hair a lot. The result is amazing, I can testify. All right guys, yeah, so just keep watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and give the video a huge thumbs up. So after now I'm going to sieve. All right, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be pouring everything into this cheesecloth here. You can use socks or cap, whatever, or handkerchief, whatever you have available. All right, so I'm going to squeeze until I squeeze out all of the milk. Okay, it is so creamy, milky, anything, name it. Okay, so this is amazing. Don't throw away your flaxseed after taking the gel out of the flaxseed. The flaxseed itself is very very useful. Is very very useful when it comes to hair growth. Just do it just the way you're seeing me do in the video, and you're going to come and testify in the comment section.
So rich your style, you know what's up, you get the style, you know. Rich your style.
Guys, these are just the leftover that we don't need, so I'm going to throw this away. Yeah, this is the outcome. This is how it looks like. Take a look at that, how creamy it is. Yeah, this is amazing when it comes to hair growth, guys. I used this and my hair felt so soft. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of flaxseed. Flaxseed is so amazing. It helps to promote hair growth, prevents hair loss, it soothes the scalp, it strengthens your hair. It is amazing when it comes to hair growth. It helps to reduce hair breakage, which help your hair to grow. As your hair stop breaking, your hair will grow. It balances your scalp. Okay, fights against dandruff. It is so amazing. It keeps your hair moisturized. Okay, so I will tell you that this actually moisturized my hair. My hair felt so soft after I finished using this. It also prevents split ends. My hair is so dry, very very dry. I washed it 2 days ago, but I did not cream it. I did not put anything. So right now I'm going to go in with this. Flaxseed prevents split ends. It helps to nourish your scalp. It enhances your hair texture. It is so amazing. It helps to hydrate dry hair. It improves hair elasticity. It is a natural conditioner. Guys, you want to try this flaxseed deep conditioner. It is so amazing. Yeah, I'm not going to stop using this. Whenever I make flaxseed gel, I will never throw away my flaxseed itself because it is very amazing. I'm going to always use it this way, guys, from now. So if you want your hair to stay moisturized, make sure to always add flaxseed to your hair regimen, your hair routine. Yeah, so I'll just continue to apply it just the way you're seeing me do in the video. So if you watch up to this point, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and keep on watching.
It's on the beat, baby.
Richer style, yeah, yeah, richer style. You got to know.
It's on the beat, baby.
Richer style, yeah. Yeah, na 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 na. Richer style. Are you in for? When you wish someone say richer style. Hold on. If you may look for a channel on YouTube, where the current on lifestyle matters, rich and style. That's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. So what you waiting for? So wait till you never to subscribe. I beg you make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No good dog, I love some, I love go inside Italy city. No good dog, I love some, I love go. Say French style. On YouTube, make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for? Rachel style. So Rachel style, Rachel style. You know what's up? You get the style, you know. Rachel style, Rachel style.
So guys, now that I finished applying the flaxseed deep conditioner all over my hair, the next thing I'll do is I'm going to wrap my hair in a plastic wrap. Okay, just use any plastic wrap you have available. Yeah, or if you have shower cap, you can also use that. So I'll just wrap my hair like so, and I'll let it stay for 40 minutes to 1 hour. I actually left this on my hair for 1 hour and my hair felt so amazing. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, help me to share. I will see you in my next video. I will see you in my next one. Bye, ciao. So guys, I'm going to let this stay on my hair for 40 minutes or 1 hour, then I'll wash, and my hair is going to be deeply conditioned. This is a good homemade conditioner, so do not forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, help me to share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.